Alright, what is up guys, welcome back to another video. Just a quick look at Polygon here today. Before we begin, please do like and subscribe, really helps out the channel. And with that being said, we are taking a look at Polygon here. As you can see, really not that much going on over the past week. Ever since we got that loss of support, coming back into the previous range here, we really haven't done that much at all, have we? You can see this area was a massive area of consolidation and structure for Polygon in the past. I've talked about this ad nauseum, to be honest, but I will mention it one more time here for you guys. You can see here, we came back into this key area of Fibonacci support and resistance. Fibonacci pulled from the high of the previous bull market down to the current low of the bear market. You can see we came into this range, resistance, support, resistance, resistance, support, 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 resistance. We got the break all the way up to the 618, but with the FTX collapse, we've got that big rejection back inside the range. Support, breakout, and then we finally started to see some momentum to the upside, didn't we? But got a bit overextended here, I feel. And then with Bitcoin, you know, kind of consolidating over the past month or so, we've seen a correction for Polygon here. You can see this A, B, C kind of correction going on. And if we look at Bitcoin, you can see Bitcoin has started to lose some steam here. In the immediate short term, we've had this A, B, C correction like this, which would probably correlate to this A, B, C correction for Polygon here that you've seen here. Come down to support. We try and get the bounce, but we couldn't do it. And we lost support here and came back inside the range yet again, losing that $1 key level of psychological support and resistance there. Down below the 0.50 Fibonacci and back inside the range. And as I said before, really not that much to do apart from wait for Polygon to get to one of these two levels and then buy or sell accordingly. I will be selling most likely if we see ourselves do this, about bang, 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 bang to here. Take the short, look to ride it down to the bottom of the range again. Or if we just continue to down to the low, I will be looking to pick up a short position in this area here. Just looking to trade the range until it breaks again in either direction. Because this has been a very strong range in the past, and I do think we could be looking at getting some tasty trades in this area in the future as well. So there's really not that much to say for Polygon right now, is there, guys? We've obviously come down here, got really overextended. Now we're consolidating, looking like we might be coiling up for a bit of a move, maybe for an extension to the downside. But you can see here, very oversold as well on the old RSI. And if we take a look, 1, 2, you know, the last few times at the very least that we've got down towards these very oversold territories, you can see massive bounce here. Bounce here, bounce here, bounce here, and now, you know, probably looking to get that bounce up to that resistance where we can take that short. So that is my analysis for today, guys. Thank you very much for watching indeed. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.